Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain the different NC programming formats. So let's start the video. What are programming formats? Format is the method of writing the NC words in a block of instruction. It is the way in which different NC words are arranged in a block of instruction. Here, the use of G, X, Y, R, and F word is seen in a block of instruction. Various NC words are used to write one block of instruction. N word and G word are used in this block to write a particular instruction. These together are called as NC words, which form one block of instruction. Each block of instruction is separated by an end of block EOB or enter symbol. I had made a video in which I explained the use of end of block function. Until the controller executes the current block, it does not jump to the next block of instruction. And the controller understands that a particular block is complete and has to be executed by the use of end of block word. So when these different NC words are written, a block of instruction is formed. And when different blocks of instructions are written, a complete program is formed. And this complete program is called as part program, which tells the machine tool about the different steps to be performed to manufacture a component. So different programming formats are fixed block format, tab sequential format, and word address format. Let us understand each format one by one. As the name suggests, the fixed block format has a block which is fixed. Block is fixed means instructions are given in the same sequence in all the blocks of instruction. The sequence which is seen here is N, G, M followed by X, Y, Z, which is followed by S word, F word, T word, and finally end of block. In this system, only numeric values are provided in the program and identifying address letters, that is NC words, are not given, and a block of instruction looks like this. Only numeral values. Number of digits in every block remains the same. If we compare block 10 and block 20, the number of digits in block 10 and the number of digits in block 20 are exactly equal. All NC word numeral must be given in every block. If a NC word numeral is not changing from the previous block to the next block, then also it has to be included in the next block of instruction. Here 01 in block 20 is repeated as 01 in block 30. This 03 in block 30 is repeated, which is the same as that of block 20. So even though the numeral value does not change, then also it has to be included in the next block of instructions in the fixed block format. The number of digits for each NC word must be of the same length. For example, 4 digits are fixed for N block. 2 digits are fixed for G block. Again, 2 digits are fixed for miscellaneous function numeral. 6 digit each is fixed for the X, Y, and Z words. 4 digits are fixed for spindle speed. For feed, 2 digits, 3 digits are fixed for tool change function or tool function. For tool function, 4 digits are fixed. I had explained in my earlier video what is the need of 4 digits in T word. Finally, for R word, that is radius, 2 blocks are fixed. The fixed block format varies for different machines. A program written by a fixed block format for a particular machine will be as seen on the screen. We do not understand here whether it is X word or Y word or Z word. We have to see it in this corresponding column. This belongs to Z word. Similarly, if someone want to find out what is this 90 representing, then just to be seen in the column at the top, okay, it is F word. So finally, in a fixed block format, the digits are repeated in the next block even if there is no change. Only numbers are seen in the program, so it is confusing while editing. Identifying decimal is again confusing in the fixed block format. For example, a number 25.38 is not written as 25.38, but it is written as 2538, where the last 2 digits are for decimal. If we see this number 0.00006, it indicates a dimension of 0.06. Number of digits in each block has to be same. So all these issues were sorted out in the tab sequential format, which provides a better way of writing a program as compared to the fixed block format. Let us understand what is tab sequential format. In this programming format, instructions in a block are always given in the same sequence, similar to fixed block format. But after each NC word numeral, the word tab is written. So tab sequential format is a little bit easy to understand as compared to fixed block format because of the word tab. This tab separates these numerals and these numerals. It has one advantage over the earlier format that if a word remains the same as in the preceding block, it need not be written. For example, if we see 0010 tab, then 0020 tab, then this 01 is not changed in the N20 block. So no need to write this 01. Similarly, this 03 is not changed in the next block. So it is not needed to write 03 here. Similarly, wherever the NC word numeral does not change, it is not needed to be written in the upcoming block. But the word tab has to be written in every block for every NC word. So this tab sequential format, here the digits are not repeated or the numbers are not repeated even if there is no change, but tab has to be written after every NC word. Also, only tab has to be written if the preceding NC word does not change. So this is cumbersome for lengthy program and still confusing while editing. These issues are further sorted out in the word address format. So let us understand what is the word address format. This word address format is used in all the NC controller in the present situation. This format is standardized by EIA and is most widely used. In this format, each data is preceded by an NC word like this and 10. G01, M03, X25, and so on. So this makes it easy to understand that this 03 is a number for which NC word, or this 00 is a number for which NC word. Each such alphabet has been standardized to represent a particular axial coordinate or function which is called as NC word. This makes it easier to identify and clearly distinguish between the different NC words. Again, there is a benefit in word address format, that in this format, if a word remains the same as in preceding block, it need not be written again. For example, this is the first block, N10 block. Now in N20 block, G01 is not changed. So no need to write G01. Even there is no need to write tab for G01, which is the same. Whichever word changes, only that has to be written in the next block. So this N20 block would actually be written as N20 X55, that is the change, and obviously end of block. There is no need to write G01, Y30, Z00, S1200, F90, T0206, which is similar to the N10 block. This shortens the length of program because only those words that are required to be written are the one which changes from the earlier block to the next block. The sample blocks of instruction for a program is written as N40, M03, S1295. There is no G word here. There is no F word. There is no XY word in this block, as it is not required. So only those NC words and the numeral followed by NC word are to be written, which are required in that particular block of instruction. For example, Y30 is there in block N60 and Y30 in block N70. So this Y30 need not be written in the block N70. Similarly, in the block N80, G01, X30, Z00 need not be written. There is another advantage in the word address format, that NC words may not be written in the fixed sequence. A programmer can write N word, then M word, then F word, then G word in any sequence. But in order to maintain uniformity while editing the program, it is advisable to write in the sequence which is followed in the fixed block format. Any information that is unchanged need not be repeated in the next block. Programming is simple and short. No confusion in reading program, so editing becomes quick and easy. In the next video, I will explain CNC machining parameters, that is speed, feed, and depth of cut. If you have liked my video, click on the like icon, subscribe my video if you are watching it for the first time, and share it with your friends. Thank you.